If you're looking for a really nice welding cart setup, be sure to check out the ZT Fabrication website. They sell conversion kits for the US General, Husky, Craftsman, Cobalt, roll carts. You can choose single or dual bottle. You got TIG rod holders. And now all your drawer space for your consumables. When you're TIG welding, you got a lot of them. And the bigger drawers, you can even put your spool gun down in there. Comes with these brackets for all your ground clamps and extension cords. Everything is all in one place. The bearings are greasable. This thing was really simple to put together, and I couldn't be more happy with it. You can also get dividers for these TIG rod holders so you can have your different sizes sorted out.